Yeah? There's a correlation
여러분들의
between that.
가치를 높이는 일이 바로
So
여러분들의
how can we
수입을 높이는
increase your
지름길입니다.
value? So let me give you a couple
여러분들의 가치를
examples.
어떻게 높일 수
When I
있을까요?
was a car mechanic, so when I did my apprenticeship
몇
as a
가지
car
예시를
mechanic,
들어드리겠습니다.
at the beginning I was pretty mobbed. Yeah? Was a big burden because I came in there with a guy
제가
who
자동차
finished at high
정비사로서
school, being 20 years old, and then all the apprentice in the
일할 때
place were about 16. I was already 20, and all the people working there at the car dealer outside repairing cars basically had finished with
전 이미
how do you say this
20,
fundamental school?
20살이었습니다.
What do you name it? Huh? Hauptschule, elementary school. They finished on elementary school, and I was a high school guy. So they all had a lot of fun letting me do funny things, what had nothing to do with repairing cars. Until they understood that I can
자동차
create a
정비소에서
value
저
for
말고도
them.
다른
I can help them to get better organized. I can have the
일,
tools that they never
일꾼들이 정말
found because they
많았는데요.
always lose them somewhere, forget them somewhere. So I started to organize them. Next thing was I did
그
all the
일꾼들은
jobs they would
저에게
like to do
굉장히
from the regular
우스꽝스러운
jobs.
일들 또한
There was a
시키곤
bonus system
했습니다.
paid. Accord, they name
그런
it.
일꾼들은
Bonus
자신들의
system,
도구를
that means
잃어버리거나 이런
for
굉장히
certain work, when you
우스꽝스러운
have been
행동들을
working
했습니다.
faster, you
따라서
got extra
저는 그런
money.
환경에서 더욱 발전하고 벗어나기
But there
위해서
was works nobody did like to
제
do.
주변
So
상황
I
그리고
grabbed the
환경을
ones nobody
정리하기
wanted to do.
시작했습니다.
I figured out there's handbooks. You know how much I love handbooks
제 주변
and
상황을
checklists
정리하고 그리고
because it helped
저는
me to
거기서
create a bigger value to myself and
모든
to them. So I
사람들이 그
learned
정비소에서
from the
모든 사람들이
handbooks like
꺼리는 일을 했습니다.
recipes when you cook at home. And it worked
저는
because if you followed this handbook, you could
핸드북,
do all kinds of work. To
팜플렛이라고
me, it was
불리는
super
그
exciting.
핸드북을
If it was
읽기
outside of my
시작했습니다.
comfort zone,
아무도 그걸 읽지 않았어요.
that's the next thing to be clear about.
아무도 그걸
Success
읽지
doesn't
않았지만
happen
저는
inside of
그
comfort
핸드북을
zones. We all
외우다시피
try to
읽고
support
숙지하기
our comfort
시작했습니다.
zones, but the real excitement starts outside of comfort zone. The real
모두가 안
excitement
하는
is as more
것이었죠.
pressure I
그것은
put on myself,
안전지대의
as more
밖이라고 생각했기
satisfied I
때문입니다.
will be when I succeed. Like in sports.
모든 저를
When you
포함해
see
모든
how it
일꾼들은
works, that you
일을
can
했던
lift the higher
사람들은
weights, that you
안전지대에 있었던
wanted
것입니다.
always
하기 싫은
to
일은
live,
하지 않고 하고
then
싶은
that
일만
feeling
하기
of
때문에 그
satisfaction,
자리에 있었던 것입니다.
the self-confidence
하지만
increases so
저는 그
much.
안전지대에서 벗어나는 선택을
Yeah.
했으며
At the end of the day, the
성장했습니다.
recognition we get for our self-hard work. So here's the same.
운동 또한
Success
똑같아요.
happens outside of comfort
같은
zones.
무게보다
Exactly the
매일매일
same
더
thing.
무거운 무게를 추가해서
Working
든다면
and doing the jobs
당신을
nobody
성장으로
wanted
이끌
to
수
do.
있습니다. 그리고
As
안전지대
more often
밖에서의
as good I
성장이겠죠.
got in doing them. And then I got even to the stage that I were performing them faster as they usually done. Repairing, changing wheels on cars was my biggest experience in that time. Because, you know, if you're an apprentice, starting
이렇게
somehow,
핸드북을
whatever the weather shows
숙지하고
outside
내
in
안전지대
Germany,
밖에서 그 정비소에서
somehow
일하기
in
시작하고
October,
내
beginning of
주변 상황을
October to
정리하고
mid of
인지하고
October it starts.
발전시키다 보니
Then it goes straight
다양한
for at
일을
least 6 to 8
경험할 수 있게
weeks,
되었습니다.
where all the summer wheels get changed to winter wheels. So today you have these wheels, you can go all year long. That times there was clear summer, winter, summer, winter. So when who's
제가
doing
정비소에
that?
있을
Somebody
때는
likes to do that.
자동차들을 계절별로 계절별 타이어를 바꿔야 했습니다.
And after 2-3
지금은
days
그렇지
changing wheels
않지만
and
그
cars from
당시에는
morning to
계절별로
night, I
타이어를
got kind of
바꿔야
really
하는 업무가
frustrated
있었어요.
because that was not what I came for. Where I said as an apprentice, I wanted to learn different things, and now I'm changing wheels, and it was clear I have to do that straight for at least 6 weeks. On the other side, I understood it's not a good idea to
제가
get
이렇게
up and not be
계절별로
motivated to
타이어를
go
하는
to
일을
work.
했었는데요.
So I needed
저는
to
6주
find a
동안
way to
이
look
업무를
at the
계속해야
glass and not
했습니다.
to see it's half empty, but to look at it as half full.
저는 이
So I thought
정비소에서
about
다양한 일을
solutions.
경험해 보기 왔던
So
것이
here
한
we are at
가지
the
일을
next
하려고 했던
point.
것이 아닙니다.
If you want to create solutions, you need to think solutions. Sometimes it's even helpful to remodify your wording. So for example, the word problem, as everybody working close with me, was traded into a different word. So everybody is naming that word.
그래서
I
저는
give them the
또다시
lesson and
저의
say, it's
행동
named challenge.
그리고 태도를
You know what the
살펴보고
difference is between a
변화시키기 위해
problem and a
노력했습니다.
challenge? It's the difference between the why and the how. So what,
그 예시로
where, when. So it means the why is always
내가 겪고
leading
있는 문제,
into
장애물,
the problem.
그리고
So how,
완전히
where,
다른
when,
단어라고도 불리고 같은
what
의미를 가진
leads out
단어라고도
of
할
it.
수
It looks
있는
for a solution. So challenge is a word that challenges
챌린지, 즉
you
도전,
to
어려운
step up.
도전과 같은
So it
단어가
goes
있죠.
into the solution. So looking into a solution. So I was looking into a solution, how to deal
이 두
with
단어
changing
모두
wheels and
다
cars.
솔루션, 즉
So you know what I did? I bought a
해결법을
stopwatch.
요구합니다.
And then I stopped my time. And then I
저는
made a
단지 이
contest with myself,
제가 타이어를 이렇게 계절별로
beating
6주 동안
my
갈아야
best
하는
time.
이
And I
문제를
couldn't
프라블럼,
wait for
문제로
the
보지
next day
않고
to go back
나를
to
더
be in
발전시킬
my
수
own
있는 어떠한
competition to
도전으로
beat my
봤습니다.
time. So after that winter
저는
experience,
이것을
I
도전으로
was
인지하고
probably the fastest
스톱워치,
wheel
시간을
changer
잴
in
수
the
있는
environment is within
스톱워치를
500 kilometers from the place I
구매하고
was working. I
그리고
was one of
제가
the
타이어를
efficient
교체하는
producer
그
in that whole
속도를
company.
시간으로 재기
I
시작했습니다.
outcompeted everybody around
그리고
me.
가장 효율적인
As an
방법으로
outcome of
이
that,
타이어를
with everything else I
교체하는
did, taking
방법을
on work nobody
연구했고
wanted to do,
결국
changing
저는 그
these wheels,
정비소에서
there
가장
was
효율적으로
cars
가장
at that
빠르게
time
타이어를
that
교체할
lived
수 있는
on the
인원이
points you collect
되었습니다.
throughout the months as an outcome of your performance. And I figured out I'm the most valuable person in between by points in that whole facility, being an apprentice in
이렇게
the
이런
second year.
발전을 거듭하다 보니
And so
그
I approached
정비소에서
the boss
가장 일을
and
잘하는
asked for an
직원으로
appointment.
선정되기 또한
And
했습니다.
believe he was so surprised that an apprentice asked for it, I got it. And I brought my little piece of paper with all the points on it up there. I said, Dear Mr. Scheller, thank you very much for taking the time for me. I just wanted to show you something. Look, please. And then I put that piece of paper in front of
아까
him. I said,
말씀드렸다시피 저는 이
I believe
정비소에서
I'm the most valuable
단지
person you have in the whole
인턴이었습니다.
facilities. It would be
그래서
great
저는
if that would be
제가 받은 모든
recognized.
점수, 제가 가장
So,
가치
next
있는
day,
일꾼이라는
I
증거를
get an
가지고
apprentice.
사장님에게 가져갔습니다.
First time ever in this company that an apprentice got an apprentice. I got my own toolbox,
그 다음 날이었죠.
but no
저는
apprentice ever
출근했지만
gets. And they paid me 70% of what
출근했습니다.
everybody
그런데
else who
엄청난
learned the
변화가
job
있었죠.
already received.
저는
What
인턴이었고
meant
이제
at the
막
end of the
배우기
day, I got at
시작한
least twice as much as before.
사람이었는데 제 밑에
And I
제가
was super
가르쳐주고
happy and I was
교육할 수
even
있고
more
저를
motivated to
도와줄 수 있는 또
perform.
다른
So
사람이
increasing your
고용이
value.
된 것입니다.
So it's about how
그리고
am I
저에게
behaving on my workspace?
제
What
일을
am I
도와주기
doing?
위한 다양한 도구들이
So,
담긴
And also, I mean,
박스를
who
받게
wouldn't
되었죠.
talk about it? Yeah, step up for it. I mean, if you really do the
이
extra
회사에서
shift, you
누구도
really
이룩하지
be the person who is
이뤄내지
doing
못한
it, let
성과였습니다.
people realize it, make it visible. Yeah, and yes.
여기서 제가
I
또
mean,
배운
I
것은
gave
이것입니다.
promotions to people talking
사람들에게
about corporate that
당신의
didn't ask for it,
업적이, 성과가
just because I saw they're extremely good performing, because they're
보여지도록
stepping up,
해야 합니다.
because they're doing a greater and a better job. I
당신이
recognized
잘하고
it and I
있다면,
said,
내가
yes,
잘하고 있다면 그 성과,
absolutely.
그 업적을
Yeah, so
사람들에게
talking in
그리고 내가
sales, we're getting
보여주고자
to
하는
that
그
next.
사람에게 보여줘야 합니다. 당신이 더 빛나게 해야 합니다.
Direct sales, creating additional income. Sure, there's no better way, in my opinion, as to become a distributor to create additional income. Goes very fast, starts with the first customer.
직접
One
판매.
customer,
직접
GM
판매 업계에
International,
대해서 한번
30,
이야기해
40,
볼까요?
45 euro for an optimum set on profit. If that's a decision, then
간단하게
there's only
말해서
way to do it.
간단하게 말해서 어떤 제품을 판매가 되면은
wonder
그
always
제품의
about our
일부분을
statistics.
내가
How many
커미션으로
distributors are
수입으로서
signed in as
얻게
team
되는
partner
것이죠.
only? When I signed in team partner, I always was shooting for the bullseye, and the bullseye was a quick start. What's the reason for a quick start? It's because if somebody buys a quick start, it's a clear
제가 팀
commitment because
파트너로
it's already products for
처음 시작을
sale
했을
and
때
not just for consumption. So that's the start of a
퀵
business.
스타트,
I always wanted to have the
빠르게
products with
비즈니스
me when I
사업을,
have
PM
somebody
사업을
who's
시작할 수
interested, because
있는
people are
그런
interested right
제품군들에
now. It's like
집중했습니다.
you go to a supermarket and you want to buy some apples and you go to the area of the apples and it says, okay, apples, pick them up tomorrow. I mean, you want them now, right? So if I have a possible customer and he wants a product now, then I need to give it now. Okay, online you can do that. offline, if it's somebody from the neighborhood or a friend
사과
or
관련된
relative,
이야기를
that's
해볼까요?
however it starts normally
내가
with people
만약에
you know. Then it's
슈퍼마켓에
better to have
가서
the products right
사과를
there.
사고 싶은데
And
사과를
it's
내일
quick
구할 수
start with
있다면 어떨까요?
50% more income for
전
the
사과가
same
지금
effort. So
당장
why
필요하죠.
would I take 50% less profit for the same work if I can have 50% more profit? And to all the leaders out
이렇듯
here,
제품이 언제 필요하고 언제
I mean,
제공될 수 있는지가
you get a much
굉장히
more
중요합니다.
serious decision on a person starting as a quick start as starting as a distributor. You get a much stronger commitment if they start
그리고 내가 판매하는 것, 내
with
네트워크를
the 6
형성하는
months
데 있어서 내
authorship, what is
노력에
at the end of the
비례해서
day the same
적은 수입을 얻게
as
되면 그게
if
무슨
you
의미가
or
있을까요?
as a quick start with a strong commitment in the beginning. So, and it gives the extra income at the same time.
아까
So now
말씀드렸다시피
we're
퀵
talking
스타트,
about how to
이
build
퀵
wealth.
스타트 팩이라고 하는
Building
것을
wealth
통해서
means
상대방이 더욱 PM
that seminar
비즈니스,
goes as long
네트워크
as it goes.
마케팅, 이 직접 판매
No time
비즈니스를
needed.
더 빠르게 효율적으로 시작할 수
Exactly
있는
right.
기회를 제공해 주는 것입니다. 아까
Yeah,
제가 사과를
sometimes funny.
말씀드렸죠.
Um,
상대방이 더욱더 빠르게 효율적으로
so where
사업을 진행할
was
수
I?
있는
50%
도구가
more income
있어야
with
합니다.
the quick start. The next thing is to reinvest into your business. I mean, so I go back to my own example. When I started direct sales the first time in my life, I didn't have much money, and I was pretty extremely driven to change that because I just experienced a total
재투자입니다.
drop in
나
my
자신에게
lifestyle
할
from
수 있는 재투자.
being a car mechanic, repairing cars in the evening, repairing cars during the day, getting this extra income. I always had money in my pocket. When I started studying, I moved to a different place.
제
And
옛날을
I
생각해
couldn't do that
볼게요.
anymore.
저는
So I
돈이
need to live
없었어요.
from the pocket of
자동차
my parents
정비소에서
again.
일했기 때문에
And so my lifestyle dropped dramatically.
저는
But basically, at
부를
the end of the
축적할 수
day,
있는
created
능력이
this burning desire to
없었습니다.
be willing to step over myself and to go for it. I was not believing I'm a
저는
salesperson.
아직도 부모님과 그
I was a
당시에
car
살고
mechanic.
있었죠. 따라서
That's all I learned.
저에게는
So now selling cosmetics
엄청난
and
열망이
perfume
있었습니다. 자동차
doesn't sound
정비소를
like
떠나
logic, or?
경제적인
And
독립이 이루고
seriously,
싶었죠.
I was scared like hell. The only reason was a burning desire to get back to where I was. That I wanted to have my old lifestyle back. And since I saw somebody doing it, where I could identify what was a mechanic
그래서 저는
driving my
안전지대에서
dream
벗어나서
car, telling me that
가족의
he's
품
making money
그리고
with direct
자동차
sales, that
정비소에서
convinced me at the end of the day, if
나갔습니다.
he
제
can do it, I can
안전지대에서
do it too.
벗어났죠. 하지만 저는
So I
솔직히 무서웠습니다.
started myself. The important thing was I understood I'm somehow surviving with the 800 marks that my parents gave me. So when I made my first money, I was not just spending it, I reinvested it.
안전지대에서 벗어나서 저는 굉장히 무섭고
Reinvesting, and what does it mean to invest? At the end of
힘들었지만
the day, what does it mean to invest? A lot of
저는
people are
포기하지
mixing up
않았고
costs and investment.
저한테
I
하는
mean,
투자,
running a
나에게
financial
하는
boutique
투자에
department, I don't need
집중하기
to explain it
시작했습니다.
anymore, but at the end of the day, I ran in so many people. For
내가
example, they
처음
buy their quick
어떤
start,
경제적인 수입을 얻었을 때 어떻게 했을까요?
sells the product successfully,
저에게
and
투자했습니다.
shortly later they showed up at my place and said, I have a financial problem. I said, what does it mean? Yeah, I have less money than before. I said, how? Yeah, I don't know where it went. I said, wait. You took cash, created revenue, Umsatz, sales, and where did you put it? In your normal wallet? And then? And you didn't even know how much it is, so how much did you earn? I can't say. I said, okay, so it
제가
went
이렇게
in the
직접
normal
판매
wallet.
그
So if you
일을
would be a
시작했을 때
server
누군가가 저에게 얘기했습니다.
in a restaurant,
저 수입이 생겼는데 돈이
where does the
없어요 라고
money go
했어요.
that you get from the customers? In your normal
그런
wallet or
말을
in a
전달받고
separate
저는
wallet?
되물었습니다. 당신은
It
그
goes in a
수입을,
separate wallet. So
그
first
영업적인
thing
매출을
when you sign in
어디에
as a
썼습니까?
distributor is you need a second wallet. First thing you should tell your distributors, if you're a leader, in your responsibility is that they need an extra wallet for their
돈을
business
제대로 관리해야
and
합니다.
not the regular one. If not, they're at the risk that
당신에게
they mix
어떤
up
부가적인
profit
수입
with
그리고
revenue.
직접
But
판매를
revenue,
통해서
sales, and
이
profit is not the
비즈니스를
same.
통해서 PM
Profit
비즈니스를
is only
통해서
what you earn on
어떠한
top.
수입이 생긴다면
So, takes the profit on the side in a separate wallet.
당신은
business
두
account.
개의 지갑이
So when
필요합니다.
you start selling,
만약에 기존의
you make
수입보다
out
더
of
많은
quick start,
수입이
you make about
발생한다면
200 euro,
그
dollar
추가적인 수입은
plus
다른 지갑에
You sell it
넣어야
3
합니다.
times and you have a business account with at least
결론적으로
business
두
cash
가지의
money
지갑이 있고 두 개의
600
지갑이 있고
that are
이
sitting
두
there.
개의
What we in
지갑에
PM International give everybody the
추가적인 수입,
opportunity
기본적인
every
수입,
time
기존의
there's
수입을
a special
둘 다
along, a
축적시키는
5 plus
것입니다.
1, a business academy special, an action pack, whatever it is, every
우리 제품들을
discounted
살펴볼까요?
purchase you can
BA
do, you
스페셜
have the chance
이벤트에서
to take
저희가
advantage of it.
판매하는
So,
프로모션
super
상품들,
important
5+1 프로모션
to have
상품들과
cash
이런
in your
상품들을
business. So, talking about the setup, so what do you need? So, if you're in sales, you need when
이런 프로모션
you
상품들을
receive
가장
cash, you
잘
need an extra
활용하는
wallet.
것이 중요합니다.
If you have extra income as an
이런
entrepreneur, could be also the bonus.
프로모션 제품들을
Retail,
잘
whatever it
활용하여
is.
당신들에게
You need to
퀵스타트와
always keep
한국에서는
everything
매니저
separate for what
팩이죠.
is
매니저
needed.
팩과
So
오토시과
when you
같이
receive
이런
bonus,
프로모션 제품들, 당신의 사업을 도와줄 수 있는
also your retail
제품들로
income online, it's all
추가적인 수입을
taxable.
만든다면은
So tax needs to be
제2의
taken
지갑에
away
넣어야 합니다.
immediately. So everybody who is entrepreneur in what scale ever, or planning to be an entrepreneur in what scale ever, even if it's a part-time job, tax goes away first. So in Germany it would be 40% straight. Take it away.
다른
Put it on a tax
다른 것을
account.
얘기해
Then you never
드리겠습니다.
get headaches.
세금이 있죠.
I have seen
모두의
leaders
문제라고 할 수 있는 세금이
that
있습니다.
successfully build
당신이
their
어떤
business
일을
and said
해서
they're sitting in
어떤
front of
수입을
my door. I
받든
have a financial problem. I said,
세금은
why?
발생하기
Because I should
마련이지만
pay taxes. I
당신의
said, didn't you
수입에서 이
know?
세금은 무조건 제거하고
Okay, so
제외하고
tax
당신의
account.
수입을
You
생각해야
need a
합니다.
business account. Next account you need. You need a business account. Business account is to have all your running costs, like
그래서
let's
당신은
talk about
사업적인
investments and costs.
회계사
So what is an investment
그리고 세무사가 필요합니다.
versus costs? So another big question. What is a car? Is it an investment or costs?
자,
Depends.
투자와
If you
비용의
buy an old
차이점은
timer
무엇일까요?
and put it in your garage and let it sit there until it's worth twice as much, and that happens
예시로
sometimes,
들어볼게요.
then it's a
당신이
cool
만약에
investment.
차량을 구매한다고
If
생각해
you
보세요.
use that car
이
and
차량은
drive around for vacation
투자일까요?
holidays,
아니면
then it's pure
비용일까요?
costs. If you use it for business, it could become an investment.
만약에
You know
어떠한
how
내가
I
여행을
judge an
간다.
investment? Very simple. Well, we have on our door simple
이것은
successful. I say
투자일까요?
an
비용일까요?
investment is
비용이죠.
everything you do where you get more outcome than you have to put in. So investing 100,
저는 투자를
leads to
이렇게
great.
정의합니다. 투자란 것은
120,
어떤
150,
부를
200.
투자를
So
했을
if
때
whatever you put
긍정적인
money
결과가
in,
나오는 것이 바로
there's more
투자입니다.
money as an outcome of it, then it's an investment. If the amount reduces,
어떤
then it's
일정
cost.
금액을 투자를
Very
했을
simple.
때
That's
그
the
결과로
simplest
더
way to look at it.
많은
Maybe not
양의
financial,
금액이
blah, blah,
더
blah,
많은
but
양의
that's
수입이
an
발생해야
easy way
그것을
to
투자라고
judge
할 수
if
있는
it's
것입니다.
costs or if it's investment. So and you can also judge your investments.
그것이
So when
바로
you plan
제가 방금
investment and you
말씀드린
see at
정의가
the end
바로
it's less outcomes
투자와
than what you put
비용의
in,
차이점을
it's not an
이해하는
investment,
것입니다.
then it's costs. Or it's not a investment that makes any sense.
만약에
Because
어떤 돈을 투자했을 때
investments
그
only make
결과가
sense
그
if
내가
they
투자한
create more money.
비용보다 낮게 나온다면 그것은
There's a safe
비용입니다.
environment, you know, when you have your wealth building money aside, then you need to do something with it. That means you want the money to work for you. And so you need to be careful. We will talk about that. What you're doing with that money is that you're not just burning it instead of creating more money as an outcome.
저축,
But let's stay with
저축을
accounts.
한번
So if
얘기해
you have an
볼게요.
additional
만약에
income, you have a business account, you
특정
have a tax account.
금액을 저축을
Number one,
한다면
you have a business account.
저축하는 이 방식에
Number
대해서 굉장히
second,
많이 고려해 봐야
you have a
됩니다.
wealth
저축을
building
통해서
account.
돈을 잃을
So
수도
now we're
있어요.
talking about 10% already going for wealth building. If you have additional income, there's another 20% you
따라서
put there.
여러분들의 계좌가
Because it's
중요합니다.
additional income. Come on. If it's additional income,
은행에서
take another 20%.
여러분들이 돈을 저축하는 그
Put it on
계좌,
top of it. So tax goes away. Tax goes away first. So let's say the rest. And now you divide
자,
the
정리해
rest.
볼게요.
What do you do with the rest?
수입에서 세금은
You
제외해야
have running
됩니다.
costs. You need a business account for all your running costs. Keep it as small as it is. Lower running costs give you more on the other side.
당신이 사업을 진행하는
On
데
the other side,
있어서
I would to see
어떤 세무적인
minimum
계산은
20%
항상
of
필요합니다.
reinvesting into your business, 20% for your wealth building account, and I say 20% for luxury. Because at the end of the day, you want to improve your lifestyle.
정리해
So
볼게요.
with my example, that would be
20%는
40% for
당신의
the running
부를 위한
costs,
저축,
20%
20%는
for wealth building, 20% for reinvesting, and
당신의
20% for luxury.
사업적인
Um,
발전을 위한
that could be
자금,
a formula, but you can always
그리고 나머지 20%는
change
당신이
the
추구하는
percentages
경제적인
to what you
소비죠.
see. As long as you keep the categories and you deliver to each of them, it's fine. And I mean, what you want to support
이렇게 저는 세 가지 분류 카테고리를
is
만들었는데요.
wealth building. I mean, that's your wealth building account is one. Whenever money you have money left, more money left,
이런 세
put it
가지
in your wealth building.
카테고리에 나눠서 분류에
That's the
나눠서
money working for you.
당신의 부,
Reinvesting
경제적인
also
수입을
works for you.
분류해야 합니다.
That's the direct way to reinvest. Reinvesting into your own business is what you know the best. So it's always the first step you can do, reinvest into your own business, because that's what you have under control. You want to reinvest in something you can control
당신은 모두
yourself.
사업체입니다. 모두
Because if you can't
사업가이지만
control it yourself,
이
then you need to
사업가가
rely on other people.
사업체가
And here comes an
굉장히
important
안정적이라고
lesson.
안주하면 안
There's
됩니다. 여기에
always people
항상
showing up if you have
재투자하는
money that
마음가짐을
need
가져야
people
합니다.
that need money from you. There's always people in need. And very often that happens also that friends approach you. Family can approach you.
우리 모두 주변에는 항상 경제적인 도움을 필요하는 이들이 많습니다.
To money with an expertise. So if somebody is showing up, good friend, and says, "Oh, I have the best idea ever. If you give me so much, then I will use it and I will make so much more."
만약 어떤 분이
If
나에게
that's not their
나에게 정말 굉장한
expertise, why
사업적인
would
아이디어가
you
있어라고
give it?
다가온다면
If they have no expertise, you have
정말
as much
냉철한
as that,
판단을
then
내려야
you
합니다.
could do it yourself. But if you don't have an
그 사람에게
expertise, why
전문성이
would you
없다면
do that? Instead of investing where your
냉철하게
expertise really
그
is.
돈을 투자하면 안 됩니다.
Mind increasing your value, what does that mean?
전문성은 굉장히 중요한
your value
가치입니다.
is giving a value to other people. Increasing your value means that you become more efficient in what you're doing. That you
당신의
don't
가치는
stop
다른
learning
사람에게 전문성을
on your
가지지 않은
journey.
사람에게
So you
투자하는
can
것이
always
당신의 가치를
become
높이는 일이
better in
아닙니다.
what you do. You can learn more, get a bigger expertise, learn additional things. On top
당신은
of that, you
당신에게
can
투자해야
increase
합니다.
your efficiency.
당신의
I bring
전문성을
my
더욱
examples
발전시켜야
again,
합니다.
direct sales. So what did make me so successful in direct sales?
저를
What
다시
did
예시로 들어볼게요.
Rolf Sork do, who needed 10 months to become something named IMM?
저 롤프
What is really
소르그는
not the fastest pace?
직접 판매해서 어떤 것을
We have
했기에
people doing IMM in 1
성장할
month.
수
We have seen
있었을까요?
people doing
제가
it in 3
IMM이라는
months.
직급을
And we have
10개월
not
안에
so many
했습니다.
scenes that took 9 months to get there. But at the end of the day, 3.5 years later, I was number 1. So for me, it was not about being the fastest in the
저보다
beginning.
적은 날짜,
was being the
적은
most
기간 동안
consistent
IMM을 달성하신
and never
분들도
giving
있겠죠.
up learning and becoming more efficient in what I did. So for
모든
example, in the beginning,
사람에게
I was happy
어떤 특정
that I
직급을
could sign a
달성하는데
distributor. When
기간은
I
모두
could sign
다를
a
수 있습니다.
distributor, I was shooting for the
하지만
quick start to make a
저는
manager. When I could make a manager, I was
3년
thinking
반
about
뒤에
how
어떻게
many
됐죠?
managers
전
I
세계
can do
1등
in
비즈니스
1
파트너가
month
되어 있었습니다.
myself. When I got there, I was thinking about how many more managers I can do together
가장
with
중요한
my
것은
team,
지속적인 노력,
supporting them
지속적인
to be
헌신입니다.
paid faster. So it was always about efficiency. I was thinking about, I started a business academy
어떤 방식,
with
어떤
70
효과적인
people.
방식, 그리고 지속적인
6
노력을
years
통해서
later, it was
열정을 통해서
600
내
in the
팀을
room every
성장시키고
time.
그리고
But
그
it went from
팀들을 복제할 수
17
있느냐,
to
양성할 수
19 to
있느냐,
21 to
그것이
27, back
키입니다.
to 23, up to 35, for one simple reason. Sitting down after the sale was done, after the job was done, sitting down and reflecting. So every time you're setting yourself a goal, you need to have some steps in between. What's next? What's my next step? Yeah? So, and when you reach that step,
모든
then look
사람에게
at it.
다릅니다.
What did I do
그리고
right?
모든
What did I do
사람들은
that is
기간이
right?
다르고 나이도
What can I
다르고
do
다
better
다르기
next
때문에
time? And what's important now?
내가 인지하고
You
있는
set your
것이
next
중요합니다.
goal.
내가
So,
어떤 방식으로
what
발전할
did
수
you do?
있을까,
What
성공할
did
수
I do good?
있을까,
What do I need
목표를
to
하나하나
improve?
정하고
What do you
목표를
need as an outcome of
달성했을
that?
때 그 다음 목표를 생각하고 그 다음
Setting a
목표를
goal,
생각하고 단계적으로
making a plan of
발전하는
action,
모습이 중요합니다.
taking action,
목표를 정하고
analyzing.
그 목표를 달성하기 위해서 어떤 행동들을 취할 것인가,
I can repeat it. Setting a goal,
그리고 그 행동을
yeah, making plan,
취하기 위해서
getting
어떤
in
것을
action.
분석해야 되는가.
analyze. Yeah, that's successful management. And wealth building needs successful management.
목표를
If you
세우고
wanna be
그 목표를 위해서
successful in
어떤 행동을 하게
wealth
되고
building, you need a successful management.
그리고 직접 행동의 그 행동을 옮기는 것,
back to
그리고 그
distributorship.
다음은 그 행동이
As a
어땠는지, 결과가
distributor, if you sell a
어땠는지
quick shot three
분석하고
times, the second, the third time it's named BA
결과를
special,
아는 것이
then it's
중요합니다.
more than this 3 times 200, and that would be enough for the cash in the business accounts that you can reinvest all the time in taking opportunities. So, and that counts for every distributor,
아까
including the big
말씀드렸듯이
shops.
재투자가
600 years
중요합니다.
they can make
그리고
every
당신이
take
어떤
advantage of
현명한
every
투자를
campaign that's
하는가,
going on in PM International. They always have enough cash in the wallet or cash in the to take advantage of everything.
말씀드렸듯이 투자가 중요하죠. 저는 PM 인터내셔널에서
Yeah, luxury
어떤 캠페인,
account, sure. No,
이벤트에
that's spoil
투자를
yourself.
아끼지 않습니다. 그래서 항상
Very
저는
simple and
현금,
easy. So
자본을
think about
가지고
all
있죠.
your wish list, and then let's work on the wish list because that's what your luxury account is doing for you. But it's not like I make more money tomorrow, I spend it all. You know, be disciplined on it. Don't get greedy.
아까 제가
Give only money to
여러분들이
people that really have
여러분들
an
경제적인
expertise. So if
소비에도
you really trust
20%를
others, and
축적해야
by the
한다고
way, giving
말씀드렸죠.
money to the
하지만
bank
우리가
is not
돈을
a
버는
guarantee.
이유는 그저 소비하기 위한, 그저 사용하기 위해서
Sorry to
버는 것이
say.
아닙니다.
It's not a guarantee. I mean, I have a lot of money that banks have to take care of, but these guys are working for whom? For the bank. And how do they
아까
make money?
말씀드렸듯이 계좌, 올바른 계좌, 현명한 저축이 중요하다고 말씀드렸는데요.
Fees. Mainly
은행을
on
저는
fees.
완전히
They
믿지 않습니다.
charge if it becomes more or less their fees. So if you profit or not, they will get their cash. You need to be clear about that. That's the expertise there.
은행에서 일하는
So,
사람들은
When you invest
우리를
money,
위해서 일하는 게
somebody
아니고
think
은행을 위해서
about the
일합니다.
expertise first, and then think about what's their motivation, what's your
따라서
motivation.
우리가 은행에 저축을 할 때는
And don't
굉장히
give people
현명하게
money
올바른
to
선택을
people
해야
that
합니다.
have no
아까 제가
expertise.
말씀드렸다시피 나에게
Give
투자를
it
원하는
further.
사람이 있다면
Worst thing,
그분의
that's the way to lose
전문성을
friends.
따져야 합니다.
Give people to friends that have no clue what they're doing. Yeah, you're full of trust, and then it's
가장
burned, and then
친구를
the discussion
잃기 쉬운
starts. So
방법
you
중에
don't want to
하나입니다.
get into that.
누구에게 투자를 하는 것이요. 가장 쉽게
Okay, we
친구,
talked
소중한
about the
사람을 잃을
difference
수
between
있기에
revenue, invest, costs,
굉장히
and
현명하게
profits.
투자를
Got that
진행해야
all
합니다.
swallowed? Yeah, how to invest? You can invest into your business. You can invest
어떻게 투자해야 할까요?
in
당신의 사업에
in
투자할 수 있죠.
retirement, for example, safety later.
그리고
So what
당신의
I did
노후 자금에
at the beginning, I did
투자할 수 있습니다.
put money
당신의
aside
미래를
for
위해서.
life insurance. So that was a way I wanted to get that retirement fund built up. And that worked very well for
저
me
같은
because
경우는
it's small amounts, you know. I
제가
could
나중에
start with the first
은퇴했을
life
때를
insurance with
위해서
250 euro
특정
away per
금액을
month. And then when I
남겨뒀습니다.
couldn't afford another 100, then I put
건강보험에도
another 100, and then I could afford
투자를 했고요.
another 150, you put another 150, and you know, then they calculate to you how much you will receive, and I can tell you, I mean, I started with the age of 25 immediately, with my first 50 mark at that time, 25 euro. And then I did more and more and more because my father told me, if you want to have a life where you don't need to think about anything anymore and everything is fine for you, then it would be great if you have 2 million aside. And
노후
so
자금은
everything
굉장히
goes
중요합니다.
towards this 2 million.
연금,
So today I'm in
굉장히
position instead
중요합니다.
of getting paid out.
저도 이른 나이에 이 연금에 투자하기
Interestingly,
시작했어요.
because when you look at life with 25, I thought I'm retiring latest with 58. So I had my first payout
제가 이
with
25살 때
58,
저는
another one with 60. In between, I'm still working and still making money. but
58세에 저
I'm
은퇴할
getting
것이라고
retirement
생각을
funds.
했습니다.
And yeah, it was true. I mean, this money gets paid out.
저는
and
지금
it has
58세가
this kind of
넘어서
interest that
그
was
은퇴
promised as
자금을,
a
노후 자금을,
guarantee.
연금을 받고
Not
있습니다만
their fantasies
거기에
they're
비해
putting
전
always
지금도
in, but
돈을
the
벌고 있죠.
minimums they guarantee they typically hold on to. And the rest was really interest of interest, because if you have a long period of time, there's a lot of interest. So you see the money working for you. Yeah, so as more time you have, as better it is. And it's
그리고
not
저축,
something you can
은행에
also
저축한 이런
invest
현명한
in low risk.
저축은
And
이자가
usually I would
계속
take one
불죠.
of the insurance that are existing for a long time. Then you should
이런
be on
이자가
the
많이
safe side.
붙을 수 있지만 오랜 기간 동안
Another one is living. I mean, living costs. So, you know, everybody has a dream
변동성이
of an
없고
apartment, house,
되게
something
저축을
like that.
안정적으로 할 수 있는 그런
If you
저축을 해야
own
됩니다.
it, yes. As long you have a loan on it, it's like a rental.
그리고 우리 생활에 필요한 소비들이
Reality is, I mean, you own it when
존재하죠.
you own it. If you have a loan on it that's as high as the value of that thing, then you don't own it, and it's just
집을 예시로
basically
들어볼게요. 당신이 집을 소유하고 있으면 그보다 좋은 건 없죠. 하지만
yeah.
당신은 그
Yeah, so with
집에
rental, it's
어느
a
정도
bigger
부채가
risk
들어가 있을 수 있습니다.
because if you rental, you can stop. If you own it, you're not
괜찮아요.
getting out
부채가
as easy
있지만
of
그
these
집은 언젠가 당신의 소유가
costs
될
that
수
you have.
있습니다.
So my
그런데
driver
단지
was when I
월세로
took on
한
a
달
loan, I
동안
had to
집을
take loan,
빌리는
sure.
형태의 이런
Said
소비는
I try to
현명하지
pay
않을
it
수
off as
있어요.
fast as possible. So and there was another thing I said I asked my father and he gave me a good tip at that thing. He said a solid financiation starts with 30% own money. So that kept me conservative, that I didn't go crazy because I was really saving money until I was ready for 30% pay down. And then I also followed the idea from him. He said, okay, don't take one loan only. Maybe you want to take 2 or 3. One to be paid back earlier, and the next one paid back, and the last one paid back. So said you see also you succeeding and not being stuck forever on that. And
제가 아까
negotiate
집에
deal
대해서
with the bank is
말씀드리고
that's super
있었죠.
important. So if you take a loan to negotiate with a bank, said you don't have to pay a fine when you want to pay back faster. It will be automatically
부채
in
동안
that
부채를
fine
어떻게 관리하는 것
if
또한
you don't
굉장히
negotiate
중요합니다.
that. So because that's what they do. But
은행과
you have a space for
굉장히 협상을
negotiation
많이 해야 합니다.
yourself
따라서
if you
당신의
tackle it.
부채를 제대로 관리하고
It
그
may change
부채를
your
통해서
conditions a little
청산했을
bit,
때
but
당신의
it's worth
소유물이
so
되는
much
그
because if
자본들,
you're
자산들을
successful
제대로
starting
관리해야
building
됩니다.
wealth more and more, then you want to get rid of these
그리고
running costs. The worst
가장
thing you have in your life is
비효율적인
running
소비가
costs you can't get off. Yeah? The
벌금입니다.
better sleep you can generate is with less trouble.
지속적으로
And less trouble
발생하는
means
비용만큼
high
비효율적인
income,
소비가
low
없어요.
running costs. High running costs, low income is the opposite of it. Yeah. So keep your income your costs under control, especially your running costs. So one-time costs you can always stop. Yeah, doing
이런
it.
벌금과
But the ones
같이
that are based on
우리는
contracts that go for
지속적으로
years and years
발생되는
and years and
비용들을
years,
삭감해야 됩니다.
these are the binding ones that you're not getting rid of. So keep the running costs low and build your income.
만약에 한 번
Don't
일시적인 소비가
listen to
아니고
people
지속적으로
that are
발생되는
not
소비, 즉 계약에 묶여 있는 소비는
successful
피하는
in
것이
what they're
좋습니다.
talking about. Next thing, don't give people money to people with no experience, but also
이런
don't
식으로
listen to
당신의
people
소비를
that don't have
줄이고
an
수입을
expertise
높여야
in
됩니다.
what they're talking about.
다른 분들의 말에 귀
There's
기울이지 마세요.
people telling you that are not in your position what you should spend your money for. Seriously? That's not important. You're not living
특히나
for them, you're
전문성이
living for
없는
yourself.
사람들,
You need to think
그
about next year
사람들이
what makes
어떤
me
말을
happy,
하고
not
있는지
what makes them happy.
본인도 모르는
There's
전문성이
also when your
부족한
income
사람들의
gets
말을
bigger,
들으면 안
there's
됩니다.
people that know very well for what you spend the money for because they earn money on that.
당신은
So
당신을
like
위해
the
살아가고
real
있어요.
estate agent, he's not
당신의
working for
삶은
you, he's working for
당신이
his own
만들고
pocket.
당신의 것입니다.
He's giving you, he's serving you to a certain degree.
So like the
Yeah.
real estate agent.
Okay. So living houses,
이렇듯
etc.
나를
keep
위한 것
costs
그리고
low.
남을 위한
Take your
것을
time.
잘
Not
구분해야
everything
합니다.
needs to happen tomorrow.
예시로
And if you take a loan,
부동산
it's that you can
중개업자를
pay it back
살펴볼게요. 그분들은 당신을
probably
위해 일하는
as
게
fast
아니고
as
본인을
possible
위해 일하는
because then
겁니다.
you own the place really. And then if whatever happens in your life, you're on the safe side.
시간이 걸립니다.
Because if you cannot afford
시간이
anymore
걸립니다.
as a gardener, then you do it
당신의
yourself.
부채를 해결하고 현명한 소비를 하는
Example. Yeah. So some of you may
행동을
not use
하는데
a
시간이
gardener,
걸릴
but
수 있습니다.
whatever. It's a sprinkler. Yeah. If the sprinkler gets too expensive, you can
또 예시를
do it
들어볼게요.
yourself. I mean,
당신의 정원을
at the
관리할
end of
수
the day,
있는
you can keep costs
정원사를
low in
고용할
a
수 없다면
house,
당신이
but it's
직접
not
해야
too
됩니다.
fancy. Yeah. And today
만약에
you have
어떠한
even,
소비가 굉장히 비싸다고
opportunities
느껴지면
that the
당신이
house
처리해야
can stay
합니다.
on its
직접.
own. So there's environmental friendly energy and all kinds of things going on. That yeah. So when you have assets, so now when you have additional income, if you create wealth,
당신의 주변
then there's a
상황을
typical,
굉장히
what
잘
gives that to you,
통제하고
to split on how to
굉장히
do the
잘
asset
정돈된
management
상태를
splits.
유지합니다.
That's when it becomes more. And so the classic way of doing is 50% you. Okay, that's wrong written. That's not bonus. That's bonds. So that was wrong translation. So sorry, no 50%
당신의
bonus. There's
경제적인
50%
수입을
into bonds.
관리하는 그런
Unlike
투자
in
비율을
German,
지금
in
화면에
English
보여주고
bonds,
있습니다.
20% goes into shares.
Bonus, then
And we are talking about conservative behavior. We're not talking about getting funny. 50% in bonds, 20% in shares,
화면에 아까
20% for
나와
real
있던
estate,
50% 보너스는
5% for venture
보너스였으면
capitals that can be
좋았겠지만
all kinds of things.
본즈입니다.
Investing into other businesses, people with an expertise who you give money. Yeah. And then cash and cash equivalents, what means, for example,
채권이죠.
also gold, if you want to look a little bit on the
50%
safe
채권,
side.
그리고
Yeah, then today you have also cash equivalents, very famous
그리고
right now is Bitcoin,
20%
you know.
투자,
So all
증권이죠.
kinds,
그리고
cash
20%
itself,
real
so
estate,
5% should go in
부동산입니다.
cash equivalents. If you look in cash equivalents and you look in the area of safety, the
그리고
gold is still the thing to
5%,
go.
5% 하나씩은
There's discussions about
현금
silver
그리고
because it's industrial
신생회자에
use.
투자를 하는
Then you have
것입니다.
also people talking about diamonds, rare earths. I mean, first rare earths you will not put somewhere under your cushion. Yeah, gold you can. Yeah. You want to have for the worst, if you're a
정리해
prepper.
보겠습니다.
For the
50%
worst case
채권
scenario,
투자,
you want to have something aside. You
20%
go for
증권 투자,
coins, gold coins, like
그리고
Kuja
20%
bonds or things
부동산
like
투자,
that.
5%
They are
잠재력이 있는
small,
벤처
but they're also
기업에 자금을
tradable.
투자하는 것, 그리고 나머지
Yeah.
5%는
But
현금을
instead of
보유하는
having
것입니다.
gold in pieces like that, and then you go with a knife and cut off if it's needed. Coins is easier. So, yes. Massive action. So, when you're an entrepreneur, naming direct sales as an example, I mean, what was the reasons that I was the fastest growing organization in PM International? Very simple. Because after I learned it for 10
아까
months,
말씀드렸다시피 제가
used
말씀드린 이 비율로
and
당신의
understood
투자를 재투자하는
increasing my
방식이 굉장히
value,
중요합니다.
my value also means becoming more efficient in what I do. So I said, okay, more people in a room, bigger events in a room, but I was looking for the sales because I was in sales. So for me, it wasn't about
제가
the people in
첫
the room
IM을
only,
달성하기
it
위해
was about how
그
many of the
10개월
people in
동안
the room are
걸렸던
buying
기간이
something.
10개월 동안
So for example, Business Academy special. My goal was at least 50% in the room decide on a BA special. And the other 50% probably because they're new,
저는
or they have a
고민했습니다.
quick start. So at the
어떻게
end
내가
of the day, my
성장할 수
goal was
있을까?
that everybody who's in that room is buying
내가
products to sell.
내
Because these
고객들을
are salespeople, and I
바라봤을
didn't
때,
know if they
내
buy the
파트너들을
products
바라봤을
and
때,
they're
그
salespeople, they have the
사람들을
pressure to
그저
sell them.
몇 명
And
인원이다로
this
보지
kind of
않고
urgency
그
helps.
사람들이 구매할
So
포인트, 그리고 그 사람들이
increasing
내
your
네트워크를
value,
가져줄
learning,
성장성을
and
봤습니다.
becoming more efficient in what you do. More efficient means to do it in a faster pace. And so in direct sales for me it was clear, massive action. So if I can
당신의
sponsor
가치를
5 people
높이는 것,
in a month, then I
그리고
look for 10 people.
당신의
I can
행동,
sponsor 10
그리고
people. I look, I
당신의
handle
결과를
15.
더욱더 효율적으로
And then I
만들
stay
수 있는
consistent.
그런
And that
행동들.
was a winner. At the end of the day, I had a lot of distributors starting super successful, sponsor people like hell in the beginning, but they were not consistent in what they were doing. So that took me on the fast lane. And the next thing was massive action. I looked what he's doing right, what he's doing right, what he's doing right. In an industry, it's the same.
당신이
You can
만약에
look
엄청난 숫자의
a company is doing a
네트워크,
little bit like this, company
굉장한
is doing a little
성과를
bit
이룬
like that, one
네트워크를
company is doing a little
구축한다고
bit like that. This is working, this is
말해볼게요.
working, this is working,
그런데
so
이것이
looking into the
일시적인
leadership,
거라면 아무
not
소용이
what they
없습니다.
say, but what
지속적인
they
헌신과
do,
노력을 통해서
looking
이
careful
네트워크가
about the strongest
계속해서 유지가
strategy
되어야 합니다.
they have in place. At the end, putting it to me and saying, okay, I do it all together. At the same time, for example, advertising for new distributors. I
당신의
was seeing some put
네트워크를
ads
살펴봤을
in
때
newspapers at that
리더십이
time.
부서지고
Today it would
있고
be social
그리고
media,
지속적인 헌신과
influencer.
노력이
Yeah. Then they're
들어가지
talking to people on the
않는
street.
그룹들을
Then
한번
they're talking
살펴보세요.
to people in their environment. Other ones were walking door to door. I was walking door to door, talking to people on the street, talking to people in the bars, talking to my bakery guy. I went to seminars in the evening just to get contacts to talk to people. So I was
그런
using
사람들,
it
리더십이
all.
부족한 사람들이 어떤
And so
방식으로
I got more
사업을
people
진행하는지
involved fast
살펴보세요.
as anybody else.
저를
And
예시로
then I
들어볼게요.
worked on my
저는 길거리에 있는
presentation.
사람들,
How long does
내
it take
주변에
me to
있는
sell the
사람들,
business to a
옆집,
person?
모든 사람들,
And I had
내가
a teacher
다가갈
and
수 있는
mentor at
모든
the time, Larry
사람들에게
Thompson, who said,
다가가서
okay,
제 사업을
8
진행했습니다.
minutes. Okay, it took me 45 minutes when I learned about that. And I said, let's
그리고
shoot for the 8 minutes. I never got to 8 minutes, but I got to 12 minutes. And I mean,
저는 제
45 to 12 minutes,
프레젠테이션,
you know how many more
사업적인
people I
어떤
could talk to and
프레젠테이션,
sign in
PT,
at the same time when I
내
just need 12
사업적인
minutes instead of
성장성을
45
보여줄 수
minutes?
있는 그런
Yeah.
자료들, 그리고 그런 자료들을
So how much more
발표하는
efficient
것에
I am if I
집중했습니다.
have 500 people in a room than having only 20 people in a room? but it was step by step by step by step by step.
이러한 사업적인
Okay, that
발표,
is an example for
프레젠테이션도
me, and you
효율적으로
can
하는
take
것이
it to
중요해요.
all areas of life. Yeah. So increase your value, learn new experience, more
이런
experience.
효율성을
Yeah.
높이고
Getting better on your job
정말 열심히 뛴 결과
and increasing the
나의
efficiency at the
프레젠테이션을
same time.
발표를
Yeah.
듣는
Trying to
사람들은
do things
늘어나기
faster
시작했습니다.
as before. It's outside of the comfort zone until it becomes comfortable too. Yeah. See it like sports. Yeah. And again, pressure
효율성을
is great.
높이는 것,
Being outside
아까
of comfort zone is
말씀드렸다시피
great.
발표
You may suffer a
시간을
moment.
줄여나가고
In the
효율성을
beginning,
높이는
it
것도
creates pain, but
굉장히
at the
중요한
end of the
노하우입니다.
day, when you succeed, you feel better than ever. You know, when you win,
지속적으로
how it
말씀드리는 게
feels.
있죠.
Be a winner in
안전지대에서
your
벗어나야
life.
됩니다.
So
압박, 부담은
take the
안
pain
좋게 느껴질 수도 있지만
to gain
당신을 조금이라도 더
and to
성장시킬
enjoy
수
life even
있는
more
밑거름이
than
됩니다.
before. So that takes you to
당신의
stages of
삶에서 당신이
financial
승자가
freedom
되어야
at the
합니다.
end of the day. So
승자가
what
되기 위해서
stage are we
필요한 것은
looking at?
무엇일까요?
Beginning now,
계획이 필요합니다.
10% aside.
목표가
Stage
필요합니다.
number one. Yeah, you make sure that your income covers your costs and that you put 10% away for building
이러한
wealth.
모든 것들은 당신의 경제적인 자유를 이룰 수 있도록
Stage number
도와줍니다.
two, additional income accelerates progress. Create additional income, increase your value. Yeah? If you're working corporate and you're not looking for an extra job, increase your value. Yeah? So that somebody has a reason
경제적인
to give you a
자유를 얻기
promotion.
위한
That
그런 제가
increases your income.
단계들을 설명해
Yeah?
드리도록
Or
하겠습니다.
let's look on efficiency.
당신이
Let's say,
지금
okay,
만드는
there are certain
모든
things we're
수입은
doing.
당신의 모든
Can we have a
비용을
bonus? Yeah?
감당하고
For
그리고
being
그에
faster,
얹어서
getting more done, or whatever.
10%를
Be
저축합니다.
proactive.
2번이죠. 2번은 당신에게
Financially free.
경제적인
For me,
수입 그리고
financial
추가적인
freedom starts when
수입이
you
존재한다면
can live your
그것은
lifestyle
당신의
that you
사업을
always
더욱더 효율적으로
imagine.
빠르게 구축할
So
수
you have your
있도록
list of
하는
things you note down. So you
밑거름이
say,
되어야
that's the
합니다.
things I really want to have in my life happen for me. Yeah. So
그리고
whatever it means, if
당신의
there's a
모든
certain
이런
amount of money
추가적인
you need to
수입은
make
당신이
that,
원하는 그런 삶을
that's where
형성할 수
financial
있는
freedom
밑거름이
starts
될
for
수
you.
있죠. 그리고
It doesn't mean
부채가
that you
없어야
need to
됩니다.
have
빚이
wealth like
없어야 됩니다.
endless. It's about that you can live your life. When I looked at it, I said 8,500 to live my life.
그리고
I said, if
마지막도
I would
마지막
lose
단계죠.
everything today,
당신의 경제적인 자유를 이루기 위한 단계의
just
마지막
having
단계는
8,500
당신이
a month,
어떠한
I could be the happiest person on earth.
수입을 통해서
No
그
problem.
수입을 통해서
I don't need
당신의
the super
인생을
yacht. I don't
모두
need this big
책임질 수
house.
있고
I want to have
평생
certain
동안을
things that fit
다
to my lifestyle.
커버할 수 있고
Traveling was always very
그런
important to
경제적인
me,
부를 얻는
but
것이
I don't care at the
경제적인
end of the day.
자유의
Yes, I
마지막
enjoy to be in
단계입니다.
a five-star hotel, but when I go fishing, I'm in a room with 2 beds and its own bathroom, together with a buddy of choice, or with a friend that I like. No problem.
저도 여행을
Yeah.
정말 좋아합니다.
So it's not
저
that
또한
makes me happier.
5성급 호텔에서 묵고
Yes,
싶고
sure, it's nice to have a
저는
five-star
낚시를
hotel,
좋아하는데
but it's not
낚시도
needed. For my
매일 가고
personal
싶고요.
life, I could live with less. So at the end of the day, define it for yourself. If you're overshooting it, fine. Good for
이런
old
모든
school.
것들은 저를 행복하게 할 수
Yeah, good
있습니다.
for better
하지만
sleep.
이것이 정말 필요할까요?
At
그렇지
the end
않아요.
of the day. Okay.
그래서 우리는
So next
모두
stage would be after
정의를
that
내려야
being
합니다.
completely
나에게
debt-free.
필요한 것이 무엇인가?
I mean, everything's
나를
paid off.
행복하게 할 수, 기쁘게 할 수 있지만
No
정말
running
나에게 필요한
costs.
것이
Everything's
무엇인지를
paid
생각해
off.
봐야 됩니다.
You can do whatever you want. Your income is paying for everything. Next stage. So there's a stage that's on top of that. That is, if your wealth builds so much money, that's the interest. No, that's the money you saved can pay for your life. So that you're getting to a point where you say, for example, when you want to retire, that you know I have put enough money aside, that I'm not dependent on the government anymore or anybody else.
다시 한번 정리해
Just
드리겠습니다.
spend the rest of my life
경제적인 자유를 누리는
from
단계가
the
있죠.
money that I put
첫
aside.
번째는 내
And then the last stage
수입이
would be that
내
the
모든
interest
비용을
is taken
커버하고
care of.
거기에
So that you don't
10%를
give up
저축할 수
your
있다.
wealth, that
이게
just the
1단계.
interest is an outcome of
2단계.
your wealth.
추가적인 수입을
That take care
통해서
of.
나에게 내
But
비즈니스에
that's
사업에
pretty great.
재투자를 할 수 있다. 그리고 세
Just to
번째,
name it.
나의 수입을 통해서 내가 원하는 어떤 라이프 스타일을
Last
어느 정도
important
누릴
tip,
수
don't
있다.
get greedy.
그리고 네 번째는
So
부채가 영원히
it's
존재하지
fast,
않는
takes
그런
long time to
자유입니다.
build it up. It can go fast to destroy it again.
다섯 번째, 내가 저축한 것은
Always
모든
only give
것으로
money to
저축한
people with
돈을
an
통해서
expertise.
내 남은
And
여생을
don't
보낼
listen
수
to
있어야
funny
합니다. 그리고
interests.
마지막
It's
여섯
not
번째는
happening. Yeah,
그
a lot of
내가
people are
모은
getting taken
축적한
with the too
경제적인 부에서
conservatism.
나오는
Keep a
이자를
conservative split
통해서
if you want to really
내
risk
라이프 스타일,
something,
내가
then use
원하는
a small
그런
percentage.
라이프
I
스타일을
gave it to
가지는
you
것이
before, it's a split.
경제적인
The
자유의
same venture
마지막
capital,
단계라고 할
that's
수
the one
있습니다.
where you can go fully into the risk, but it's just 5% out of the total you have. Yeah. On the wealth building side, not on what you make per month.
아까 말씀드렸다시피
Luck, we talked about that. Luck is
내가
about grabbing the
받는
chances along the
수입을
way.
어떤 종류, 어떤 카테고리에 투자해야 할지 설명을
Knowing is
했었죠.
good. Doing is what really makes it happen at the end of the day. So you
우린
cannot
또
think yourself.
운에 대해서
You know,
스피치 초반에
it's
이야기했습니다.
about motivation. Where they say positive thinking makes you rich. No, it's not. So
아는
you need to
것은
take the
중요합니다.
action.
하지만
It's good if you have a
행동하는
positive
것은
mindset and if you're
필수입니다.
solution oriented and if you think about challenges. But at the end of the day, the action makes a difference. Increase your
긍정적인
value.
태도를 가져라.
Yep.
과연
And
당신을 부자로
for
만들어
last
줄까요?
question
그렇지
for me
않습니다.
would be to everybody: what you need to take action, what doesn't happen
당신의 행동이
statistically in the next
안전지대에서
72
벗어난 행동이
hours will
당신을
not
부자로
happen.
만들어 줄 것입니다.
So make a note now for your first step. It doesn't matter if it's big, small,
제가
whatever.
당신에게 마지막
One
질문을
thing at least you will start in the next
제시하겠습니다.
72 hours. So one
당신은
thing you
어떤
start
행동을
in the
취할
next
것입니다. 그
72
행동을
hours.
위한
Just
동기부여는
note
어떤
that down.
것입니까? 72시간, 앞으로의 72시간 안에 당신은 어떤 목표를 설정하고 그
We
목표를
get started
어떻게
on the
이룰
journey.
것인지 생각해야 합니다.
So, and that takes me
당신이
to the
앞으로
stage to
72시간
say
안에
thank you
어떤
very
목표와
much for
어떤 행동을
taking
할
the time.
것인지 한번 적어보겠습니다.
I will today, because we're not such a big group here in the room. We're a huge group outside, but not so many
자,
inside
제가
here. You have the
준비한
luxury. You
시간은
can ask
제가 준비한
questions
내용은
if there's
여기까지고요.
anything along the way you always wanted to ask in exactly that direction.
지금 여기엔 많은 분들이
Now
있지
is the
않습니다만
opportunity to do it.
여기 계신 모든 분들 저에게 질문을 언제든 던지셔도 됩니다.
Mr. Valerius?
You showed us the allocation of assets.
Wait.
Oh, sorry.
Very good.
Mr. Zocchi showed us the allocation of different assets split into bonds, shares, etc. Would you say that the individual age of a person can shift these percentages?
It's more risk profile. So
Yeah.
it was a conservative way of doing it. Yeah. So as more risk you take, as more chances in it, but also as more risk you have in it. You know, if you push it into the area of shares, for example, then you may have a bigger interest, but it also can go wrong. So talking about wealth building, I talked a little bit about myself and what worked for me. And I can tell you at the end of the day, I gave you a strategy of 37 years of consistent increasing wealth, because that's what happened to me. Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay.
아까 말씀해 주셨던 재투자를 할 수 있는 비율은
Yep.
바뀔 수
The
있을까요?
last row we have somebody.
바뀔 수 있습니다. 어떤 투자를 할 때 만약에 그
psychological
위험성을
work. When you
판단했을
were
때
really down,
위험성이
down,
높다면
at lowest point, you
수익을
probably
얻을
had
가능성도
one, two,
높아지겠죠.
like, how did
그래서
you
이런
get
모든
out?
위험성과
What did you
수익을
do?
얻을 가능성 모두를 잘
I'm the type
생각하고
of
투자를 해야
person who
됩니다.
always takes the bull by the horns. So I think if you feel you're on the lowest point, for me it already kicks in
여러 번
positive,
말씀하셨듯이
because the things can only get better now. Get it? So the lowest point is always a turning point for me, because the lowest point is already the lowest point. So any action I take from now on brings me up. And by the way, I had a lowest point in my life.
만약에 소르그
was
회장님께서
during my
인생의
studies
가장
right at the
밑바닥, 가장
beginning. It was
힘들었던
3
때를
weeks
떠올리신다면
before
어떤 방식을 통해서
I found the job in direct sales.
극복하셨나요?
After being an apprentice and before I found that part-time job, I had a lowest point. I was speculating with money, by the way, also with the money of my mother. And I can share that today because I opened myself a couple of years ago to her, because my pride didn't allow that before. So I was starting to speculate with shares only. I had 3,000 mark on the side and was speculating with shares. And I got excited about how good I am. And then some people gave me recognition because I got 50% increase in 1 year, having Spanish shares and bet on the right things. And then I went excited, and I bought calls. That's options, and they have only a certain
저의
amount of
가장
time. Say it
밑바닥은
was 90
제가
days,
정비소를
where you
그만두고
have to bet on the right thing.
직접
So I
판매를
was right for
시작하기
3
이전에,
days,
직접 판매 업계에
but I
뛰어들기 이전에
got
몇 주
excited.
전이었던 것
I thought,
같습니다.
okay, I can come
저는
back and
그때
sell them when
우리
I'm back. I went
어머니의
windsurfing. That was
자본을
one of my
가지고
horses,
사업을
my car.
했습니다.
When I came back, it turned around. I could never sell them, so I lost the money. And since I put all the money on one thing, and even the
그
money of my
자본을
mother,
통해서
that
저는
got so excited
투자를
that she gave
했었죠.
me by trust money too, I burned it all. So there was 3,000 mark from me gone and 3,000 of my mother. So that's as things
저는 어느
sometimes
정도
happen.
수입이 늘어나고
I didn't
제가
have my income
성공했다고
as
믿기
garbage mechanic
시작했습니다.
anymore, but I had still a sports
저는
car,
심지어 어떤
a
차량을
TR7,
구매하기도 했었죠.
what is an English car, pretty cool
하지만
car.
제가 투자한 그 자본은
And I
점점
somehow
사라지기
was not
시작했고 저는
having
또 한
enough
번
stress
위기를
with my
겪었습니다.
girlfriend. And so when I was driving back home from the village, with
어떤
my
상황이든
aggression, I
발생할
kicked
수
the pedal to
있죠.
the metal.
어떤 위기든
The car was
발생할 수
cold,
있습니다.
and these kind of cars don't handle that. So I saw fire coming out of the engine room, and then I could look how my car burned out. So that was the next thing. And then I had a girlfriend where I had favor of her.
제가 아까
It
말씀드렸듯이 어떤 차량을 구매했다고 했죠. 이 차량은 고장이 나서 제가 운전하는 와중에
trampoline jumper,
불이 나기 시작했어요.
third in Europe. And they wanted to create a carnival fest at the BASF. And her best girlfriend, she was organizing that. And they did know that in my family there's somebody, an uncle, who has a company with trucks. And so they were asking me if I could do the favor because they needed to get the trampoline from place A to place B. So I was asking him, and he said, yeah, you can have it. So, but I'm not used to drive trucks. So it was this 7.5 tons where you have your cabin, and behind the cabin there is the other
제가 제
part,
차에서
the
그 화재가 발생했었다고 했죠. 그 차 안에 여자친구가 타고 있습니다. 그 당시에
당시에
여자친구죠.
And there was construction, and I'm driving there, and there is this heat thing with height thing with all the lamps on it. And I think that's pretty tight. That looked as it could work, but I was in the cabin, but not in the back. So I'm driving there, and then I hear horns behind me. 2 lanes completely blocked. That whole thing tear down. This truck destroyed. I'm sitting there. So, sports car gone, burns the money of my mother. No income more as a car mechanic, no direct sales business. So I was, and then I was at the university in Kaiserslautern. That was concrete, and only concrete. I have
제가 방금
also
말씀드렸다시피
used,
제가 투자한 자본은
went
점점
for a
사라지기
study
시작했고
as
제가
economic
구매한
engineering,
스포츠카는 고장이
engineering and
났고요.
economic,
저희 어머니의
where you don't
자본도
find
사라진
any
상태였고
woman, and that was at the age of 21. So 7 women with 350
이렇듯 저는
students. That was
다양한 위기를
pretty
겪었습니다.
crazy. And so it's that total concrete thing, and then that gone, and that gone. It felt like the deepest point in my life. So, and so I thought, okay, I need to change something. And then I looked for every possible income source I could find. So I was looking on meters for the
이렇게
usage of water.
제가 그런 위기를 밑바닥을 경험하고 있었을 때
And
저는
because I
어떤
needed
변화를
desperately
일으켜야
money,
된다고 느끼고
I took normally a job for
그
2
변화를
people
현실로
alone
옮기기 위한 생각을
at
하기
Christmas
시작했습니다.
time, not realizing that in Germany a lot of people are on vacation, but you had to read so many
저는
meters
그
to get the
당시에
money.
돈이 정말 필요했어요.
So that at the end of the day, I was there half the night, people yelling at me because you need to do that in a period of time, and a whole mess. But again, it should be something you pull the energy from. The deepest point is where you can get the most energy. That's where the biggest, the most burning desire is
그 당시에
created.
저도
That was maybe
다양한
the main
일들을
reason that I was
경험하려고
willing
했습니다만
even to talk with people about
모든
coffee and
사람에게
cosmetics with my
정말
background as a car mechanic.
가장
That's it. It's
밑바닥은
the day, that's my
가장
whole life.
위기, 실패라고 생각하는
Okay.
그 순간은 찾아옵니다.
So I think with all of that said, I can only tell you, whatever situation you're in your life, there's always an opportunity to move
제가
forward.
정비소를 일할 때,
And,
정비소를
now
그만뒀을
we
때
have the
저는 거의
strategies,
파산에
the
이르렀지만
tactics, practical
그 경험이
experience
지금의 저를
to wealth
만들었고
building. So
제
use of
인생을
it,
송두리째
make use
바꿨습니다.
of it. I wish you all the best success with it, and
오늘 이렇게 저의 사업적인 노하우, 저의 인생에서 사장 여기 계신 모든 분들에게 그리고 이 방송을 듣고 계신 분들에게 어떠한 노하우 팁을 전달드려 여러분의 성공을 도울 수 있을지, PM의 성공을 도울 수 있을지 전달해 주었습니다.